Very good morning, all the student. Today, Thursday, that is 22nd January, I would like to welcome all my DLED first year student. Last period, we have already seen there are so many issues relating teaching and learning English in Maharashtra. We have already studied 3 points, that is no uniform policy, requirement of competent teachers, and improper method. In first point, we have already seen no uniform policy. A policy regarding English is not firm in Maharashtra. It's depend upon the views of Education Minister of Maharashtra. English language was introduced as a compulsory subject from standard first from the year 2000-2001. But before that, it was introduced from standard fifth. After that, again Maharashtra state government has taken decision about the examination. According to that, there were no examination up to a standard, and nobody should fail. After that, government started 30 minutes moral period. Again decision changed, and now there is no provision for moral period. In this way, every government changed their education policy, and that's why the teacher cannot teach English subject effectively and properly. This is the main issues relating English subject in Maharashtra. So we have already seen there is no uniform policy regarding English subject, teaching, learning English. This is the main issue in Maharashtra. Second issues we have already seen, requirement of competent teachers. In Maharashtra, in many schools, there is a shortage of competent teachers. Many teachers has no proper qualification. Many teachers has no professional degree. Many teachers don't know modern technique of teaching English. Many teachers don't know teaching method. There are different issues relating English subject in Maharashtra, so that today also there is no proper progress in English subject. Third, we have seen improper method. In Maharashtra, some of the teacher, they did not use proper method to teach English language. Some of the teacher did not use proper teaching aids at the time of teaching English, so that teacher cannot teach English subject effectively, and this is the main issue related to English language in Maharashtra. Now we are going to see the next point, that is the lack of knowledge of aims and objective. In Maharashtra, many teachers don't have sufficient knowledge regarding aims and objectives of English subject. They don't know aims and objectives of teaching English. Some of the teachers give the importance to the result. They thought that this is the main aim in Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, examination patterns are not correct. Actually, teacher has to develop all the language skill of the student. Teacher has to improve student conversation, but English subject neglected these things. This is the main issues related to English language in Maharashtra. So that friends, many teachers, they didn't know how to achieve our aims and objective at the time of teaching learning process, and so that these issues created at the time of teaching English in Maharashtra. Next, insufficient teaching aids. In teaching learning process, teaching aids are playing very much important role. With the help of teaching aids, teacher can teach effectively and student can understand easily. But in Maharashtra, many schools there is a shortage of teaching aids. So without teaching aids, teacher cannot teach properly. In short, teaching aids are not available in many schools. This is the main issue related to English language in Maharashtra. And without teaching aids, teacher cannot teach properly and teacher cannot teach effectively also. So that teaching aids are very, very important at the time of teaching English. But in Maharashtra, today also, there is a shortage of teaching aids. Next, examination system. In Maharashtra, examination system is main issue related to English language. Students only study according to format of examination. Students only try to repeat some answers. Students only recite answers and write in exam to get good marks. Some of the teachers also teach English subject to score good result and good marks. No one can worry about language skill, and main objectives is neglected. This is the main issues in English language in Maharashtra. Large classroom strength. This is also main issue in many schools. Today, in every school, there are large number of students in every class. Then capacity. Teacher cannot pay attention on each and every student. Teacher is unable to pay attention on all the students. Teacher work is become different. Teacher cannot teach properly, and this is the main issues related to English language in Maharashtra. Guidance for the correction. In Maharashtra, There is issues related to teaching learning process regarding English subject. There are maximum students in the class, so that teacher cannot guide each and every student. Teacher cannot solve students' problem. Teacher cannot teach. Teacher cannot use teaching aids, so that no one get proper guidance to solve their problem. This is the main issues related to English language in Maharashtra. Next, multilingualism. In Maharashtra, various languages are spoken in society. This is called multilingualism in Maharashtra. Marathi, Hindi, Bengali, Telugu, Urdu. At the time of teaching English, it is very difficult to teacher to explain in students' mother tongue, so that some of the students did not understand English. Some of the place there are dialects of Marathi language. Dialects means language some from same from language is different. Some of the words are different, pronunciations are different. This factor affects on educational system. That's why English subject teacher cannot give proper justice to the students, because teacher has to teach according to social and culture background of the students. This is the main issues related to English language in Maharashtra. Friends, these are the different issues regarding teaching learning process at the time of English language, and so that today also every teachers face this problem. I hope all of you understood this topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.